Studies across the board show that running for just 15 to 30 minutes will kickstart your metabolism and burn some serious fat. Running makes you feel good, even if you can't do it for that long. Just 10 minutes of aerobic exercise releases a large amount of the mood-boosting endorphins responsible for runner's high, so a quick lunchtime run can make you feel just as good as a longer one. If you keep your run to 30 minutes, you're very unlikely to overstretch or overuse your muscles. That means a much lower risk of injury. One 30-minute run is guaranteed to burn between 200 to 500 calories. That's a fantastic step forwards to your weight loss goal. When you start running regularly for 30 minutes, you'll see your sleep improve significantly. And even if you're used to more strenuous exercise, a shorter run will still give you better sleep than no running at all. If you can run 3 to 5 days a week for 30 minutes, the internal health benefits will very quickly start to show on the surface, too. You'll soon see effects like more defined muscles, pounds off the scale, and clearer, healthier skin. It's a big claim, but the studies show it's true. The fitness level you achieve from regular, shorter runs can add years to your life expectancy. There are a ton of reasons for this: improved circulation, lower blood pressure, a better balance of good and bad cholesterol, lower stress hormones.